So ito no, mga 4 na araw pa lang o 3 araw pa lang ito, or 3 to 5 days. Pakain natin siya na ganito. So 15 pesos sa Gaisano top level koi food. So ito, pinili ko yung isdang yan, yung black mole na yan, kasi ang plano ko dati is super black mole, right? Super black mole, parang imagination ko lang yun. Pero nung pinakain ko siya ng ito, ng koi, nabutas kasi dito sa baba, so, hindi din alam. So nung binili ko sila, super black yung plano. And then ngayon makikita nyo na hindi na siya super black. Lumalabas na yung mga ibang colors niya. Parang marble siya. Ayan. Ayan o. Ayan o, makikita nyo meron ng mga orange parang choco marble siya. At ito din no, lumalabas na ng mga kulay nila, ng mga white. Pero nung pagbili ko, talaga yan, super black. Tapos dito kung makita nyo may ano dyan, may maliliit no. Yan no, may maliliit. Ang isa, makita nyo yung isa, yan, lumabas na ang kulay niya. Hindi siya totally black no, hindi siya totally black mole, parang marble or ano matawag dyan. May isa dyan na malaki, lumalabas ang kulay nila no, instead na mag super black siya, lumalabas na yung mga ibang kulay nila, lumalabas na yung ibang kulay niya. Yan, ang mga white, kahit itong isang ito, yan. See, hindi na siya super black, may mga kulay na lumalabas na, hindi na pure black. Pero ito, yan, hindi pa lumalabas, bulan. Yung isang yun, hindi pa super black talaga yun siya, wala pang ibang kulay. So yun, dahil ito ito lang yung pinakain ko, sabi nila kikintab daw yung kulay ng isda. So yan. Okay, simula na ba ito? Ito yung translation niya sa English na lively and gorgeous long-term consumption of this product can improve the disease resistance of the fish. Ito yung pala yung una, Jiki, Jiki pala yan, or Haikui, anong pag-pronounce niyan, is designed for the special nutritional needs of freshwater fish and koi. So pwede basta freshwater. It is specially designed for all kinds of lingshi and etc. to ensure high digestible rate and promote choose universal pressure. Break the tip of the plowing. Ito yung niya, yung plastic, no? Sure, break the plowing and draining the additional amino acid. Okay. The fragrance and water is added to ensure nutrition, which is put water harmful to ensure health, which is does not pollute the water quality and does not contain the harmfulness of the fish to ensure the health of the fish. The main raw materials: fish protein, white fish powder, flour, soybeans powder, yeast powder, Antarctic shrimp powder, Tianwei, epidemic protein, organic minerals, milk powder, green algae, red algae. Yung mga algae na yan, no? So ito nakalagay is protein not less than 30%, crude fat not less than 200 fiber, algae. So kailangan talaga ng algae, no? Do not put rich, so not put in damp place, prevent mold, and do not use expired seal. Ayun lang pala nakalagay doon. Ito, do not Feed 2 to 3 times a day, and it's the best for finishing eating for about 5 minutes each time. Please avoid polluting the water. So konti lang itong ilalagay. Warm reminder, this formula adds various nutrients, fresh water, and fish can effectively promote the rapid growth and health of the fish, and same time lively and beautiful. Yan, no? Nalabas ang mga kulay nila, kung ano talaga yung sa genetics nila. Lively and beautiful.